Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to deactivate Messenger account. Open your Messenger app and then tap on the top left corner on your profile picture. And then over here, just simply scroll down and look for the option called account settings. Then after that, I simply tap on personal information. Then tap on manage account and then after that simply tap on deactivate from the top right and then now put in your password once. And then now from over here click on continue and now you guys are going to be able to just simply deactivate your account. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.